All right, so in this activity, we want to create a side-by-side box plot. So some of the activity might not work on cell phones or tablet, but Google Colab should, you should be able to run Python program on Google Colab even on your cell phone. So this is the context. Over a period of 8 years, researchers recorded the percentage of freshmen that graduated on time at 6 different colleges. The response variable is the quantitative. It's called on-time graduation rate. The explanatory variable is the categorical, which has the college's name. We can access the data here. So if you click here, it will open up the Dropbox where we have the data. So the first thing I want you to do is download the data. I will leave a link to this in the description, or you have it in the lab, so you can have access. So here I have it downloaded in this folder. So if I click here, it will show me where the folder is. Now, let me download the file. And if you notice, these are the two, let me close this. These are the two variables, college and the college and percent of graduate on time. All right, so this is the data, we know the variables. The prompt wants us to use either, in this case, the Python program via Google Colab to create a 6 side-by-side box plot and then submit them as a response and analyze them basically in this activity. So to do that, we're gonna go ahead and log into Google Colab. So if we type colab.research, or you have the link, you can just click on the link. And this is your first time using Google Colab. You're not gonna have that many worksheet open or notebook. So what I want you to do is, let me adjust this window. We're going to create a new notebook. Now, I want to show you how we can use the generative AI provided freely by Gmail, by Google Colab, to do this work. Now, let's rename this notebook 6 or side-by-side box plot. So that way you remember what you have. Now, let's say you don't know anything about coding and you want to use the Gemini generative AI to create this. So let's say we want to give it command. We downloaded the data and we know there is a response variable and there's explanatory variable. And we want to create a box plot. So let's tell AI, this is what we want you to do. Ask the user. You don't have to follow this command. I want you to explore this. Write the command any way you do. Did it give you 6 side-by-side box plot? Did it give you error? Study the error. Look at the code. I want you to practice this. This is a fascinating feature that has been added recently. Ask the user to upload a file. No, I don't want to copy paste the response variable or explanatory variable. So I want you to identify it. Ask the user to upload a file. Identify the categorical variable and the quantitative variable and create side-by-side box plot. Now, the file we downloaded is an Excel file. So ask the user upload an Excel. The more specific you are with your instruction and command to AI, the more accurate response you will get. Let me search it. It usually is similar to type the error on. All right, so the AI automatically create the code. We go through it, and these green comments or tells you what do you see in this following. So here it asks the user to upload the Excel file, identify categorical. So this is a prompt. It imports some library, the pandas, matplot library, and Google Colab to import the file, and then go step by step. So if you click here on this arrow, it will run all this command. And the first thing it's going to ask us is upload a file. If there's no error, then there's nothing error. So choose the file. So find where your file was downloaded. Mine was here, so I click. And it was the 6 side-by-side box plot that we were looking for. So for this question, you can very much right-click, save image as, and click and automatically save a copy of it. And let me make sure I double-click. And voila. I have the image. Okay. Hope this helped. Come email me at email provided below, or leave a comment. Let me know if you had any questions. All right. Have fun playing with the generative AI.